Hi, I'm Mike, and welcome to a Motivation USA brief unboxing where you can buy anything, everything premium for your motorcycle. Let's see what we got. AEM Factory is a premium motorcycle accessory company based in Milan, Italy. They specialize in high quality parts with a truly unique design, especially for Ducati and MV Agusta. Motivation USA showcase a variety of their products, so take a look on the website. You won't be disappointed. Sliders, reservoirs, levers, you name it, we cover. All their products are handmade to perfection. In this video, we're unboxing the titanium rear and integrated front brake fluid tank. These are gonna look amazing on the Hyper. Stay tuned, I will show you guys, I'll give you a detailed feedback of my experience with them down the line once I get them on. This fluid tank model, TA006, is designed to mount directly inserted to the OEM Brembo master cylinder. All right, so here's what we got at the moment. We have AEM Factory TA006. I'm gonna open that bad boy up real quick and just look at it in detail and give you my opinion. Once you open up the package of the TA006, this is the brake master cylinder. It's designed to be inserted directly into the OEM Brembo master cylinder. Very sleek design. Nobody has approached this look yet, or at least thought about it. You don't need tubing for the dot oil to run through from the master cylinder to the reservoir. It's connected and cleans up the entire look. You're gonna see here there's branding AEM Factory titanium branded right here at the very top. You're gonna see it says AEM Factory again, and some detailed information like a warning, only used with .4 brake fluid. They're very clear about that. That's something you always see when you have OEM parts on your bike. It lets you know what you could use and what you cannot use, so that's cool. You're gonna see here on the rim of the brake reservoir, it's anodized red. What AEM Factory is calling this color is lava red. Of course, very Italian, choosing a name scheme that's very fun and unique. And of course, what you have here is the natural finish, a very clean look. It almost has like a brush feel to it, and the bracket is very beefy also. And one thing that I did not expect with this fluid tank is how beefy it is. It has a little bit of weight to it, very hefty. It's not light. And again, you know, I've opened this a little bit earlier. It has a membrane. Yeah, you have the membrane here for the oil, keeping the pressure down, or there's no leakage. There's no seal here at the very top, but there's a sealed gasket here that's going to prevent the oil from sweating or leaking from the reservoir. Very nice design, very clean, and it's very, very well made, precise. And then you have here, you'll see the model numbers, TA006, and it says made in Italy. They love letting you know where it came from, so you put that stuff on your bike with pride, knowing that it's quality. If you guys have any questions about these reservoirs, or you want to know more, you want to see more AEM Factory parts on the channel, let us know in the comment section down below. Always hit the link in the description bar if you want to shop for these. That's also going to help the channel. So I want to show you guys this real quick. These component comes with the AEM Factory fluid tank. This is going to go at the very bottom of the fluid tank, and then you have the 90-degree nipple. This, you're gonna need to replace it from what came in the Brembo master cylinder. It also has a ring there to keep it sweating or leaking a little bit. AEM Factory's unique design presents a very easy install with no tubing required. This results in a clean configuration for your handlebar. It's available in two sizes, 42mm for the front brake and 27mm for the clutch master cylinder. Lastly, I'm gonna show you the AEM Factory fluid tank model TA009. It's a 27mm fluid tank, very impressive. It includes a bracket for easy installation. It's hefty, it has a little bit of weight to it, so it's not your typical, it's not your traditional. Trust me, you guys are gonna love the quality. So while we're here, guys, I wanted to kind of chat up a little bit. This is kind of a brief video because these parts are very small, but it is very crucial to highlight parts like this. These are the things that make your bike very unique and distinct to your liking and your styling, and you stand out from the rest. I'd like to offer some feedback to the guys at AEM Factory for future. It's not a huge deal, but from what I saw, the packaging, it felt very gift box-like, almost like a jewelry box. It's not super beefy. And lastly, there is no instruction. I checked the site thoroughly and seeing if there's any instructions on how to do this. It's not a common thing that people want to have instruction for these, and I know a lot of riders, they do their own work. I get it, but we have to keep in mind always certain people might not know, it might be their first time, so having some kind of detailed instruction or visual reference for people to follow, that's always great. And I think that shopping with us, motivationusa.com, you could always give us a call or shoot us an email if you encounter any issue. We're more than willing to answer your question, but I definitely highly suggest even having a PDF file you could download from the website just to kind of follow along, or at least get basic instruction before you start going in, taking things apart and installing new parts. Again, packaging could be a little bit beefier. These guys were in a small box, almost like jewelry box, and then inside of a Ziploc bag. These are some of the small feedback I can give. But outside of that, the quality of the actual products are amazing. Highly recommend them. I can't wait to actually have these on the Hyper. I will show you guys and probably give you a long-term review of how I like them actually. As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motivation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and worldwide racing sponsorships. For the most trusted parts and accessories, shop motivationusa.com. All links will be in the description down below. And remember, ride safe and ride often.